In this video, I'll be showing you how to make an Iron Man repulsor. So there are some precautions I'll be like to give you. For example, keep everything in a box, 1 or 2, doesn't matter much. Just keep it in a box so you don't lose anything while doing your work. Second, while you do the steps I have been giving you in this video, please make sure you have maximum precaution and try to do it with an adult or a parent. Thanks for watching. So guys, we were able to make the combustion system of the repulsor, which is the part 1. I know you won't be having this much interest in that, but this was the first part of the video, making the combustion system. I used a high voltage generator to make a spark gap which can be used for combustion of the fuel. In the next part, I'll show you how to make a hydrogen generator for making the repulsor's fuel. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe my video for getting the latest videos, and bye.